Golden Star Classic Auto Parts, located in the heart of Texas, sells sheet metal and replacement parts for your classic car or truck project. Family owned and operated, our goal is to provide you with the parts you need to get your project finished. Our parts are produced with the latest tooling technology, making them the best quality in the industry. That's why MotorTrend hosts like Alex Taylor and Jason Scudellari have used our products to build iconic cars, like the Week to Wicked 55 Chevy, Week to Wicked 67 Mustang Fastback, and Week to Wheelin 74 Bronco. Need expert advice? Give us a call to talk with one of our tech experts. And when you're ready to make a purchase, enjoy fast shipping throughout the Continental US. Get your project finished today with quality parts that fit right from Golden Star Classic Auto Parts.